Executive Summary: Enosis Global, formerly known as Flare Finance, operates as a Web3 software house dedicated to building a comprehensive suite of decentralized finance, DeFi, and Web3 products and services. Its core operations span both the Flare network mainnet and a parallel experimental finance, XFI ecosystem on the Songbird Canary network. Songbird Finance, SFIN, functions as the primary governance and rewards token for the broader Enosis DeFi ecosystem, with a significant role in governing rates. Concurrently, XFI stands as the most active platform on the Songbird network, serving as a crucial live market testing ground for new developments within the ecosystem. The unique value proposition of Enosis, SFIN, and XFI lies in their commitment to an omni-chain DeFi economy that aims to generate real yield derived directly from product revenues, a model that differentiates them from speculative, inflation-driven protocols. This approach aligns more closely with traditional financial models, making it inherently more attractive to institutional investors. Their foundation on the Songbird network, characterized by enshrined oracles, Flare Time Series Oracle, FTSO, and the State Connector, provides a robust infrastructure for secure, decentralized, and high-frequency data feeds, which are indispensable for complex financial applications. A key strategic positioning for institutional adoption and advanced technological integration stems from their rigorous security protocols, including extensive testing and public audits, which build a crucial layer of trust. Furthermore, their pioneering efforts in integrating verifiable AI and exploring quantum computing applications within the financial domain signal a forward-looking approach to financial intelligence. The ability to integrate non-smart contract assets like Bitcoin, BTC, and XRP into the DeFi ecosystem through F-Assets significantly expands their utility and appeal to traditional financial entities holding these assets, thereby bridging the gap between conventional finance and the decentralized future. 1. Introduction: Reshaping the financial landscape with decentralized innovation. The global financial landscape is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the emergence of decentralized finance, DeFi, and its promise of greater transparency, efficiency, and accessibility. The traditional financial system, often criticized for its centralization, opacity, and inherent inefficiencies, is increasingly being challenged by innovative blockchain-based solutions. The value of digital assets locked in DeFi smart contracts has witnessed explosive growth, signifying a burgeoning confidence in its potential to revolutionize financial services globally. At the forefront of this evolving paradigm is Enosis Global, a Web3 software house that has positioned itself as a catalyst for change. Formerly known as Flare Finance, the entity underwent a strategic rebrand to Enosis in 2023. This rebrand was a deliberate move to embrace a multi-chain future and to avoid any potential confusion with the underlying Flare network, signaling a broader ambition to expand its operational scope and market perception beyond a single blockchain ecosystem. This strategic repositioning is crucial for a project aiming to revolutionize the global financial industry, as it demonstrates a commitment to chain agnosticism and adaptability across diverse network infrastructures. Enosis operates a dual ecosystem, with its mainnet presence on the Flare network and a parallel experimental finance, XFI, ecosystem hosted on the Songbird Canary network. Within this innovative framework, Songbird Finance, SFIN, and Experimental Finance, XFI, play pivotal roles. This report posits that SFIN and XFI, by leveraging the unique capabilities of the Songbird network, are strategically positioned to fundamentally revolutionize global financial markets. They achieve this by addressing long-standing inefficiencies, fostering secure interoperability, pioneering verifiable AI-driven financial solutions, and unlocking new avenues for capital deployment through a robust and transparent real-yield economy. 2. The Songbird Network, a foundation for financial evolution. The Songbird Network serves as a critical proving ground for the Enosis ecosystem, embodying a robust and innovative technical foundation that is essential for disrupting traditional finance. Its design as a canary network, coupled with its unique data acquisition protocols, provides a secure and scalable environment for advanced financial applications. 2.1 Canary Network Advantage. Songbird is an interoperable Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, compatible blockchain that functions as a canary network to the Flare blockchain. This architecture means that Songbird provides a platform for testing key features and updates before they are implemented on the Flare mainnet. The platform offers a live economic environment with real incentives for testing new developments, allowing for the identification of edge cases and the refinement of usability and automation in a real-world setting. This canary network model, akin to the relationship between Kusama and Polkadot, represents a sophisticated layer for risk mitigation and accelerated innovation. By systematically deploying and testing new features and updates on Songbird first, Enosys and Flare can identify and resolve potential vulnerabilities or performance bottlenecks in a live, economically incentivized environment. This process occurs before these features are pushed to the Flare mainnet, thereby significantly de-risking mainnet deployments and enhancing the overall stability and reliability of the entire ecosystem. This robust testing methodology is a critical factor in building the trust required for large-scale institutional adoption, as it offers a more secure and battle-tested entry point into decentralized finance. The systematic approach to identifying and mitigating potential vulnerabilities and refining protocols contributes directly to the revolutionary potential by offering a more secure and predictable environment for financial innovation. 2.2. Enshrined oracles and state connectors. The Songbird network, mirroring the Flare network, integrates the Flare Time Series Oracle, FTSO, a decentralized oracle service that provides high-frequency and accurate price data. The FTSO collects and delivers real-time data, supporting over 1,000 time series feeds with updates every 1.8 seconds. This is achieved through decentralized data aggregation from over 100 independent providers, who are incentivized for accurate submissions. Complementing the FTSO is the State Connector, another core protocol that enables secure verification and access to data from external blockchains and web APIs. This functionality facilitates cross-chain operations without relying on traditional, often centralized bridges, and supports the creation of F-assets, which are tokenized representations of non-smart contract tokens. The enshrined nature of the FTSO and State Connector signifies a fundamental architectural advantage. These critical data protocols are built directly into Flare's core protocol, inheriting its full economic security. This design eliminates reliance on external third parties, reduces costs, and ensures greater decentralization, providing a robust foundation for trustless data acquisition and cross-chain communication. Many existing oracles and token bridges rely on centralized data providers or intermediaries, which can introduce single points of failure and security vulnerabilities. By contrast, Flare's enshrined oracles enhance security and decentralization, as data feeds are highly decentralized and tamper-resistant, directly addressing institutional demands for robust security and trustlessness. Furthermore, the FTSO provides free oracle data and high-frequency updates, which are crucial for real-time financial applications like derivatives trading and lending, reducing operational costs for decentralized applications built on Flare and Songbird. This unique architecture enables the creation of innovative financial products not previously possible, and fosters a more resilient and data-rich DeFi experience, mitigating a key risk associated with data reliability in decentralized finance. 2.3. Technical architecture and scalability. Songbird and Flare are Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, compatible blockchains. This compatibility simplifies the process for developers to port existing Ethereum dApps and utilize familiar tools such as MetaMask, Remix, and Hardhat. The network employs a variant of the Avalanche Consensus Protocol, which delivers high throughput, low latency finality on transactions, and is energy efficient compared to proof-of-work systems. Notably, Songbird's Federated Byzantine Agreement, FBA mechanism, does not require users to stake tokens for network security, potentially offering a more inclusive and less capital-intensive way for network participation compared to traditional proof-of-stake models. The strategic combination of EVM compatibility, high-performance consensus, and a unique FBA mechanism creates a highly attractive and scalable environment for financial innovation. EVM compatibility is a critical enabler, as it allows a vast existing developer community to easily build on Flare and Songbird, thereby accelerating dApp development. The adoption of the Avalanche Consensus Protocol ensures high throughput and low latency finality, which are non-negotiable requirements for financial applications demanding speed and efficiency. Furthermore, the FBA mechanism, by securing the network without requiring token staking, offers a distinct approach to decentralization that could mitigate concerns about the centralization of power among large stakers, a common consideration for institutional participants in some proof-of-stake networks. This robust, developer-friendly, and high-performance architecture provides the necessary infrastructure to support a global financial revolution by enabling decentralized applications to operate at a scale and speed comparable to traditional financial systems. 3. Songbird Finance, SFIN, and Experimental Finance, EXFI, driving the ecosystem. Within the Songbird network, Songbird Finance, SFN, and Experimental Finance, XFI, serve as the operational and governance backbone of the Enosis DeFi ecosystem. They embody the practical application of the network's underlying technologies, offering a comprehensive suite of decentralized financial products. 3.1. Governance and Utility. Songbird Finance, SFIN, is the primary governance and rewards token for the entire Enosis DeFi ecosystem. It plays a crucial role in governing rates across the ecosystem and holds a higher authority in swaying governance proposals, possessing a 10,000-1 voting power over EXFI. SFN has a limited maximum supply of 11,000 coins. Experimental Finance, XFI, operates as the most vibrant and active platform on the Songbird Canary network, serving as the dedicated live market testing platform for new developments within the Enosis ecosystem. EXFI is the primary governance and rewards token specifically for the Experimental Finance product suite. XFI has a circulating supply of 48.43 million tokens and a maximum supply of 110 million. The distinct roles and disproportionate voting power between SFIN and EXFI reveal a sophisticated layered governance model. SFIN's commanding voting power and its focus on governing rates suggest a mechanism designed to maintain stability and control over the core economic parameters of the broader Enosis ecosystem. This strong control over fundamental aspects by SFN holders provides a predictable and stable environment. Conversely, EXFI's role within the Experimental Finance platform allows for agile, live market testing of new, potentially more volatile developments. This testing occurs without immediately impacting the broader, more stable aspects governed by SFN, as its influence is concentrated on the experimental product suite. This structured separation enables both robust foundational stability and rapid, controlled innovation, offering a clear and predictable governance framework that can be highly appealing to institutional investors who require a degree of certainty and accountability in decentralized systems. The Enosis DeFi suite offers a comprehensive set of decentralized financial products designed to meet core user needs, addressing various facets of the blockchain environment. Decentralized Exchange, DEX, V2 and V3. Enosis provides DEX V2 and V3, enabling users to swap currencies and earn rewards by providing liquidity for on-chain trading. DEX V3 specifically incorporates a concentrated liquidity market maker (CLMM) model. This advanced mechanism allows liquidity providers, LPs, to allocate their capital within custom, defined price ranges, rather than uniformly across the entire price curve. The benefit of this is that all capital is put to efficient use when the price is within the specified range, leading to deeper liquidity around the mid-price and potentially higher fee earnings for LPs. However, this also magnifies impermanent loss if the price moves outside the chosen range and the position is not actively managed. The adoption of concentrated liquidity in DEX V3 demonstrates a focus on capital efficiency, which is a key consideration for professional market makers and institutional participants. Loans Protocol. Enosis offers a collateralized lending platform. The interest rates and collateral ratios for these loans are dynamically determined by price feeds from the FTSO system. This integration ensures that lending operations rely on accurate, decentralized, and real-time market data, which is fundamental for robust risk management. Liquidation processes are automatically triggered when the value of collateral falls below predefined thresholds, known as liquidation ratios, thereby ensuring the protocol's solvency and protecting lenders. Furthermore, F-assets, which are synthetic representations of non-smart contract assets like XRP and BTC, can be utilized as collateral for DeFi loans on Flare-powered lending protocols, significantly expanding the range of usable assets and increasing liquidity. Farms Protocol. The Farms Protocol facilitates non-custodial yield farming and functions as a token launchpad with integrated Layer 1, L1, rewards. This enables users to earn passive income by providing liquidity to various pools, contributing to the overall liquidity and stability of the ecosystem. Cross-chain bridge. Enosis operates a cross-chain asset bridge designed to facilitate the seamless movement of liquidity and fees between diverse blockchains. This bridge has enabled the transfer of assets like USDT from Ethereum to Flare. The objective of this bridge is to unify fragmented liquidity across different blockchain ecosystems, addressing a major challenge in the broader DeFi landscape. This interoperability is crucial for attracting large-scale institutional capital that requires fluid asset movement across various networks. APY Cloud. This platform serves as a central yield aggregator connecting all products within the broader Enosis ecosystem. A proportion of all protocol fees generated across the ecosystem is collected by APY Cloud, which then redistributes sustainable yield to governance participants, APS and HLN token holders, who stake their tokens. This real yield model, derived from product revenues rather than speculative token emissions, is a significant differentiator that aligns with traditional financial expectations for sustainable returns, making the ecosystem more appealing to institutional capital. The Enosis DeFi suite, with its comprehensive offerings, demonstrates a strategic focus on capital efficiency, robust risk management, revenue-backed yield generation, and cross-chain interoperability. This integrated approach builds a compelling case for institutions seeking to engage with decentralized finance in a structured and sustainable manner.